Today I'm going to show you how to design a custom Decor wall clock. Go to the website imagesus.com. Start by clicking on Make Your Own. At the Design Your Own page, click on Home and Office. Scroll down to the wall clocks. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in using your screen name and password that you create for the site. Proceed to create it. Click Browse. Find the image on your computer, whether it's in your desktop or in your My Pictures. Find the image, then press Open. For the sake of time, I've already uploaded the image. You would press Add and Preview and the image would upload. For the sake of time, I've already uploaded the image and we're going to add this image. And here you have a custom wall clock that you could do on your own computer. These numbers can be changed to your liking. You can have 12 black numbers, 12 white numbers, or a series of numbers and dots. To make adjustments on your wall clock, you can adjust the size of the wall clock. If it's too big, you can shrink the picture down. Here I've changed the 12 numbers and put 4 numbers and a series of dots all the way around. Or you can make it 12 dots. When your product is designed to your liking, then you can review an order and proceed to checkout. You can add to the cart. At this point, you can proceed to checkout, continue to shop and design more products, or shop the marketplace, where we have hundreds of pre-designed products for you to choose from.